When a problem feels overwhelming, the first step is to find solid ground. Strip an issue down to what can be measured, to what is undeniably true. Suddenly the fog clears. This newfound clarity shrinks confusion. Objective fact in the project deadline is 8 days from today. Not soon, not next week, 8 days. Objective fact, 3 tasks remain on the critical path. Not a few things left, 3 tasks. Objective fact, 2 team members are available full-time, 2 full-time people. Objective fact, 1 is available part-time. Objective fact, the budget allocated for overtime is 0. Objective fact, the client requested 1 change last week. Objective fact, the current progress report shows 60% completion. Now with the facts established, state the constraints. 8 days, 3 tasks, 2 full-time people, 1 part-time, no overtime budget, 1 client change, 60% done. With the facts laid bare, remove adjectives, remove predictions, remove fear. What remains is a clear path forward. List next actions tied to facts. Confirm task owners. Estimate hours for each remaining task. Reassign minor work from the part-time person to full-time staff. Request scope clarification from the client about the recent change. Shrink the problem. Name the facts. Take the next step. State the facts. Act on what's true.